Setting up an account alert in online and mobile banking is a great way to monitor your account. Setting up alerts is easy. After logging into online or mobile banking, select the menu and choose Settings. Under Settings, choose Alerts. There are several account alerts to choose from. Select a new alert. You can choose from an account alert, which is a balance notification, history alert, which is information regarding your transaction history, online transaction alert, which provides information regarding your transfers set up in online and mobile banking, or a reminder for any important account information that you may want to receive an alert for. We're going to set up a history alert. History alerts are a great way to monitor when transactions clear your account or deposits occur. Choose Debit Transaction to receive an alert each time a withdrawal is made from your account. You can choose to receive an alert for more than, less than, or an exact amount of a transaction that may clear your account. If you want to receive a transaction alert for any time a transaction more than $1 clears your account, choose More Than in the amount of $1. Then choose the share that you would like to receive the alert for. Next, you'll be able to choose your delivery method. You may receive your alert in many ways: email, voice, SMS text message, push notification, or a secure message to your online banking. We'll choose SMS text message. Next, you'll enter the phone number that you want to receive the message to, and then review the terms and conditions. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and create an alert. Success! You've now created a transaction alert for your membership.